Hello guys, I'm Ivor, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do interesting transitions for your fashion TikTok or any type of videos. And when I say transition, I'm not talking about this kind of nude transition like this, no. I'm talking about this kind of transition. Hi. The first thing is to get a video editing app. I mean, you can record and edit on TikTok app, but the effects won't be above an average. You're gonna get like mediocre effect results. And if you want to go beyond that, you can try to download this app called FILMR. It's available on App Store and Play Store. Okay, one cool thing about this video editing app is probably the first app that I've seen that uses one page of editing. Their main feature is the vertical timeline and editing flow. So basically it's like a one-page architecture. You can see every feature in one page. Okay, without further ado, I'm going to show you how I record on this app because this app has the best recording feature. So once you open the app, you can get the 7 days free trial, and I'm just going to show you the recording and this feature. They have a dual camera feature where you can shoot from the front and the back camera. It's good for reaction videos. It's quite special because iPhones don't have this feature. And they also have a green screen filter like TikTok where you can change the backgrounds, very aesthetic filter. And the coolest thing is they have this AR feature where you can choose different characters as if they were filming with you on the spot. Let's move on to editing. Now, as usual, we gotta look very basic and plain before the transition. Press recording. Now, the first transition pose that I'm going to do is the praying pose. So just put your palms together and drag it downwards. Once you're done with it, you don't have to pause the recording. Just straight away change your outfit or your makeup. Try to be as still as possible and don't move your legs or body because we want to make sure the two frames are almost similar. Now, the second transition is pretty simple. You just need to prepare the outfit that you're going to wear next. I'll be wearing this vest, so I'm just going to like swing it towards my chest and stop there. Now, without moving your body position, quickly wear just wear the vest or the outfit that you're gonna wear next. And bear in mind the camera is still recording because we're gonna edit it on the app later. Once you put on your outfit, just act like you're surprised as if the top just magically appear on your body. The next transition is a hat transition. So get a hat and rotate it with your hand and throw it towards the camera. And eventually the hat will fall into the bottom. And what you're gonna do next to continue the transition is you're gonna squat down wearing the hat. So you're gonna act like you're coming out from the bottom. You gotta trust the process. It may look weird now while recording, but it'll look amazing when you edit it. So now it's time for editing. As I've mentioned earlier, this is a vertical timeline, so you only need one finger to edit. So trimming videos on this app is a little bit different from other apps because you only need to trim it on a straight line. So just drag the white thing to a part that you want to cut. So in this transition, we want to cut to a part where both of your hands were facing in front of your face because that's when you want to change it into the next transition, which is you with makeup on. Once you got the part that you want to cut, just click on the green tick on the bottom right. Now you have two clips that you trim from the main timeline. And start trimming from the beginning because this is the part where you put on your makeup, continuing the transition. So just drag from the beginning to the part where your hands are held together in front of your face. So it's kind of like continuing the same pose from before and after makeup. If you got it right, this is the final result. It will look perfect if your body stayed the same as before and after. And by recording in one shot on this app, it's easier for your body to stay still because on the TikTok app, you gotta set a timer and then your body will move. It will not be 100% perfect. Now moving on to the second transition, and double tap on the second timeline because that's where the rest of your video is. And click on split. And for this outfit transition, you just gotta trim to the part where the second when the top lays on your body. And ta-da, now you have 3 clips. Okay, don't get confused by having 3 clips. This is the beginning and this is the end. And the end of the second clip here continues to the beginning of the third clip. Make sense? And to get a clean transition, trim the end of the second clip just a little bit to the top so it looks like it's continuing from the end of the second clip to the beginning of the third clip. Make sense? So what we're going to do now is to trim the third clip to the part where you finally get to wear the vest on your body because we need to cut off the part where we're wearing the top. The key of having a perfect transition is to make sure the end of the clip connects to the beginning of the clip. And for the last transition, just repeat the steps that you just did. Double tap on the third clip, which is the rest of your timeline, and tap on the split and split the part where the head starts to fall down at the bottom of the camera. Yep, stop and split at this part. Now we have 4 clips. And again, tap on the 4th clip and start to trim the beginning of the 4th clip because we don't want the part showing us wearing the hat. So just trim it to a part where you start appear from the bottom, like that. So just make sure the beginning of the 4th clip continues. Ta-da! Wait, you're almost done. You gotta add some music because they have a huge music library that is free of copyrights. So just tap on the music icon at the top and tap to add music. It's any type of music depending on the mood that you want to go for. And it's the same as trimming the video. You can choose which part of the song to start with. And other than that, you can also add on your voiceover and also tags. There are a lot of features that you can add that is not on TikTok. They even have grading color to change the color of the text. I mean, TikTok doesn't have that, so... And once you're satisfied with everything that you just did, you can just save it. And this is the final results. Okay, that was so much easier using an app instead of recording on TikTok, right? So that's all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave comments down below. I'll just answer it. You can find the link to download the app in my description box. Like and subscribe if you want to. And until then, stay safe and